close your eyes. Yes, just close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Feel calm. Feel relaxed. Now listen to my voice. This is your English time. This is your learning moment. Hello, my friend. Welcome to Easy English, English for beginners. I am your friend. I am your guide. And today, we will learn English together. Slowly, calmly, step by step. Here, you do not need to rush. Here, you do not need to feel afraid. English is not difficult. English is simple. You just need time. You just need practice. And I am here with you. In this channel, we learn English in a very easy way. We listen, that we repeat, that we understand slowly. No pressure, and no stress. Only learning, only progress. Today's topic is very special. Close your eyes and learn English. Yes, you heard it right. You do not need a book. You do not need a screen. Just your ears, just your mind. When you close your eyes, your brain becomes stronger. You focus more, you listen better, and your English improves faster. So, again, if you can, close your eyes, relax your body, and listen carefully. This is your safe space. This is your learning place. Now repeat after me. Host, I am learning English. Listener, I am learning English. Host, I am calm. Listener, I am calm. Host, I can do this. Listener, I can do this. Very good. Very, very good. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn. Every small step is important. Every small step is progress. So stay with me, listen carefully, and trust yourself. Today, we will learn English in a new way. A calm way, not a simple way. A powerful way. Now take one more deep breath. And let us begin together. Keep your eyes closed. Stay relaxed. Stay with my voice. You're doing very well. Now listen carefully. Many people think English is hard. Many people feel afraid. They say, I cannot speak. I cannot understand. But this is not true. You can learn English. Yes, you can. Every person can learn. Every person can improve. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to start. Small steps every day. This is a secret. Not one day, not 1 week. Every day. Even 10 minutes is good. Even 5 minutes is okay. Just stay connected with English. Now listen. Your brain is very powerful. When you listen again and again, your brain learns automatically, like a child, like a baby. A baby does not study grammar. A baby listens and learns. You can do the same. No pressure and no fear. Just listening, just repeating. Now repeat after me. Host, English is easy. Listener, English is easy. Host, I am improving every day. Listener, I am improving every day. Host, I'm not afraid. Listener, I am not afraid. Very good. Say it again slowly. Host, I am learning step by step. Listener, I am learning step by step. Beautiful. Listen carefully. Do not compare yourself with others. Do not think. He is better. Your journey is your own. You are growing. You are changing. Even now, your brain is learning. Even now, you are improving. Trust the process. Trust yourself. And remember this, you do not need perfect English. You need confident English. Confidence comes with practice. So relax and keep going. You're doing amazing. Now, let me show you how to use this video. Very simple. First, just listen. Do not think too much. Do not stop the video. Just listen. Let the sound enter your mind. Second, repeat. Open your mouth. Speak out loud. Do not speak in your head. Speak with your voice. This is very important. Third, shadowing. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time. Like this. Host, I am learning English. Listener, I am learning English. Good. Again. Host, I am learning English. Listener, I am learning English. Perfect. Fourth, think in English. Ask yourself simple questions. What am I doing? Where am I? Answer in English. Even small sentences are okay. Now practice with me. Host, I am listening. Listener, I am listening. Host, I feel calm. Listener, I feel calm. Great job. You are doing it. Remember, listen, repeat, speak. Think. This is your formula. Follow this every day, and your English will grow, slowly but strongly. Now imagine you wake up in the morning. Your eyes are closed. You feel peaceful. You start your day in English. Listen and repeat. Host, I wake up early that I wake up early that I wake up early. Host, I open my eyes that I open my eyes that I open my eyes. Host, I feel fresh that I feel fresh that I feel fresh. Host, I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. Host, I drink water that I drink water that I drink water. Host, I brush my teeth that I brush my teeth that I brush my teeth. Host, I wash my face that I wash my face that I wash my face. Now a small conversation. Host, good morning. Listener, good morning. Host, how do you feel? Listener, I feel good. Host, are you ready? Listener, yes, I am ready. Now shadow. Host, good morning. How you feel? I feel good. Yes, I am ready. Very good. This is your morning English. Now think about your daily life. Listen and repeat. Host, I am walking that I am walking that I am walking. Host, I am eating food that I am eating food I am eating food. Host, I am drinking tea that I am drinking tea that I am drinking tea. Host, I am working that I am working that I am working. Host, I am learning English that I am learning English that I am learning English. Conversation. Host, what are you doing? Listener, I am learning English. Host, are you busy? Listener, no, I am free. Shadow. Host, what are you doing? I am learning English. Are you busy? No, I am free. Excellent. Now we talk about feelings. Listen and repeat. Host, I feel happy that I feel happy that I feel happy. Host, I feel calm that I feel calm that I feel calm. Host, I feel tired that I feel tired that I feel tired. Host, I feel excited that I feel excited that I feel excited. Conversation. Host, how you feel? Listener, I feel happy. Host, why? Listener, because I am learning. Shadow, host, how do you feel? I feel happy because I am learning. Good. Now think in English. Ask yourself, host, what do I want? Listener, I want to learn. Host, what I need? Listener, I need practice. Repeat, I want to learn that I need practice. Very powerful. Now your day is ending. Listen and repeat. Host, I am tired, I am tired, I am tired. Host, I go to bed, that I go to bed, that I go to bed. Host, I close my eyes, that I close my eyes, I close my eyes. Host, I feel relaxed, I feel relaxed, I feel relaxed. Conversation. Host, good night. Listener, good night. Host, see you tomorrow. Listener, see you tomorrow. Shadow, good night. See you tomorrow. Perfect. Now we review. Repeat after me. I am learning English. I feel calm. I am improving. I am confident. Again, I can do this. I am strong. That I will not stop. Very good. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. You did amazing today. You stayed calm. You listened carefully. This is real progress. Remember, small steps every day. Listen again tomorrow. And again and again. If you like this video, please support the channel. Like the video. Subscribe to Easy English. And share with a friend. Keep learning. Keep growing. Take care, my friend. Bye-bye.